All right, so here we got Ethereum on Coinbase on the 4 hour. So what story do we got here? Weaker than Bitcoin. Oh, okay. First of all, what I think I see is possibly a descending triangle, which kind of makes me a little more bearish on Bitcoin. I don't know why my line didn't happen. Let's see here. Let's try this again. There we go. So we could be forming some sort of descending triangle, which will take the measured move here in a second. Let's get this out of the way. Let's see here. Let's see what the measured move would be, and then let's go through bearish case, see if it would line up with anything. Trading view is pissing me off right now. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Oh, well, look at this. Look at that. Confluence with the 1500 level. That's pretty crazy, huh? That makes me a little more bearish on Bitcoin, but Ethereum is weaker. Okay, so we did get that move to our purple zone that we've been talking about on Ethereum. We got the rejection from there. Binance news came out. I mean, this could have been ready to dump anyway. You know what I mean? I mean, these alts are bleeding out. A lot of people are moving their capital over to Bitcoin right now. All your moving averages have negative slopes, and it looks like the 21 and your 50 and your 100 could be wanting to fan out here. So if they start to fan out while you're at this low, it's not going to look good. Plus, we got that measured move to 1500. We are in the bearish control zone on the RSI. Below that signal line, your MACD, fresh cross to the downside as you're crossing the zero line, as you're printing dark red bars on the histogram. That does not look good. Okay. Vol, as your vol is expanding, as you see your BBWP is in the upper zone, still rising. Ethereum doesn't look very good. Even if Bitcoin goes up, I think Ethereum could probably stay in this descending triangle. Now, let's go down to the 1 hour. I mean, we'll find out. You know what I mean? I mean, invalidation of this pattern would be to break this purple region on a 4 hour closure. That's what I would be looking at in order to invalidate this potential descending triangle. RSI on the 1 hour is deep in the bearish control zone. Looks like you're testing that signal line. So either we're going to get a resumption down or a cross to the upside. MACD, okay, so on the 1 hour, story looks a little more bullish. We did get the bounce off of the range lows. MACD looks like it's trying to cross to the upside. We'll go over the bearish and bullish case here in a second. You are printing light red bars on the histogram. As your MACD line turned sharply and lost its downside curvature, vol seems like it is calming down a bit. Looks like it's contracting a bit as the price action's moving up. So, excuse me. All right. So basically, as your price action's moving up, which could mean it's a corrective move, but we'll find out. Basically, all your moving averages have negative slopes. Your 21 is trying to cross your 100 right now. It's already crossed the 50. But if we can get back above this purple region, that's going to be a bullish sign, at least to get up to here, to the 1900 level. Now, if we break the 1900 level, I would expect us to come all the way up to this third POC, point of control, on the VPVR, also the top of this red region at 1963 region. So, and as your MACD crossed bullish, Your RSI starts to head up to the top of the bearish control zone, probably gets rejected at least once, probably would come back down to the signal line, retest that, and resume up as your vol stays high. That's the bullish case. Bearish case, obviously, it's that we break the 1700 level. If we break the 1700 level, it would invalidate on a 1 hour closure. It would validate this descending triangle, which would have a measured move to the 1500 level. That would also imply that we stay in the bearish control zone. The MACD tests the signal line and resumes down as we start printing dark red bars on the histogram, and your negative momentum starts to increase. Also, as your vol stays high, we could have some more contraction on the vol right now on the BBWP. I mean, right now it looks like we're trying to cross the moving average, so we could go sideways a bit.